In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom webhook in make.com. A custom webhook lets outside services send data into Make, so your scenario can run the moment an event happens. We'll walk through creating the trigger, securing it with an API key, and saving your setup, all in a clear, beginner-friendly way. First, head to Make and sign into your account. You'll land on the dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Scenarios. This is where all your automations live. If you're new, think of a scenario as a visual flow that starts with a trigger and continues with actions. In the top right, click Create a Scenario. You'll see a blank canvas. Click the plus icon in the center to add your first module. We're going to start with the trigger, so search for and select Webhooks. When the Webhooks options appear, choose Custom Webhook. This option creates a unique URL that can receive HTTP requests, typically POST requests, carrying JSON or form data. Next, click Create a Webhook. Give it a clear, memorable name, something that describes its source or purpose like order created or lead capture. Good naming helps you and your team understand what the webhook is for at a glance. Now, click Add API Key. This is about security. You're going to require that incoming requests include a key so only authorized systems can trigger your scenario. In Make, keys are stored safely in what's called a keychain, which keeps credentials organized and reusable. Click Create a Keychain. Provide a label you'll recognize later, then add your API key details as prompted. Do not paste real secrets on screen and don't share them in logs or screenshots. Store them securely and share access only with trusted teammates. When everything looks right, click Create to finalize the keychain. Back in the webhook setup, confirm that your new keychain is selected. This ensures requests must include the correct key before the scenario will run. If your API key needs to be passed as a header or query string, follow the format required by the service sending data to your webhook. Finally, click Save. Saving locks in your configuration so you don't lose your work. After saving, you'll see your unique webhook URL ready to receive data. You can test it from your source system or a REST client using a sample payload that matches the fields your downstream modules will expect. That's it. You've created a secure custom webhook in make.com, named it clearly, added an API key via a keychain, and saved your scenario so it's ready to trigger your automations in real time.